Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto from Binance to your Exodus wallet. So first of all, you want to go ahead to Binance, and from here you want to go ahead and, for example, click on wallets. This is the Binance beta version, not a light one, so it may look a little bit different if you're using it Binance Lite. Now from here you want to go ahead and click withdraw. And now you want to choose what you want to withdraw. So for today, let's choose, for example, USDT and send via crypto network. Now you want to go ahead and enter the address of your Exodus and also select the network. So first of all, let's go to our Exodus. On your Exodus wallet, you want to go ahead and choose the cryptocurrency which you want to send. So for example, for today, let's choose Tether. If you don't see your currency here, you just go ahead right there, click on assets and search for it, then choose it. Now you will have this here, and as you can see at the top there are two buttons. This one is for sending USDT, for sending cryptocurrency, and this one is for receiving. So we want to go ahead and click on this receive button, and now click I understand and go ahead and copy this address. Go back to your Binance, enter the address here, select the network. As you saw, we had Ethereum network there. Choose the amount and click withdraw. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.